A beautiful Tuscan-style villa rests gracefully in the heart of the countryside, as if it has always belonged to the land. Its stone walls, textured and sun-warmed, speak of history and quiet strength, each block a reminder of timeless craftsmanship. The terracotta tile roof glows softly in the fading light, its earthy reds and oranges echoing the colors of the setting sun. Arched doorways frame entrances with a sense of welcome and poetry, their curves softened by time and touch. As dusk falls gently over the hills, warm golden light spills from the villa's windows. It glows like a lantern in the twilight, casting soft halos onto the surrounding stone and cobbled paths. Inside, laughter and the faint clink of glasses hint at life being lived richly and slowly. Outside, shadows grow long, and the cool air begins to settle with the scent of lavender and old wood. Ivy clings lovingly to the walls, crawling upward in winding green threads. It wraps around columns, slips across windowsills, and reaches toward the tiled roof, as if drawn to the last heat of the day. Its leaves rustle lightly in the breeze, adding movement to the stillness of the scene. At the center of a quiet stone courtyard, a fountain murmurs gently. Its basin is wide and worn, the stones softened by years of water and weather. Crystal streams arc into the air, catching the last golden rays before falling with a musical splash. The sound is soothing, a heartbeat for the villa's open heart. All around, rolling green hills stretch in soft, generous curves. Their grasses glow in the low light, rippling like silk. Dotted among them, tall cypress trees rise like sentinels, dark, slender, and noble, punctuating the landscape with quiet elegance. The sky is painted in dusky lavender and soft peach, fading into the promise of stars. The whole place feels suspended in time, old-world beauty, effortless romance, and the deep, grounding peace that only comes from being exactly where you're meant to be.